Hello everyone.
Hello.
How was your day?
I'm fine, and you?
I'm fine too, thank you. In this occasion, I will introduce myself. My name is Prabowo widayat, but you can call me Mr. Ari. I will check the attendance. The first name is Mas Buran,
Present.
Mas Aran,
Present.
Mas Tibi,
Present.
Mas Renal.
Present.
Okay. Before we jump to the presentation or the material, I will give you the video, and I hope you can suggest what we will learn.
Hi, I'm Jerry Jamestown, and you're watching Cooking Stone. In today's episode, I'm going to show you how to make ice cream using ingredients you probably already have at home. It only takes 5 minutes, not a whole lot of stuff, and it's really super easy. And you get homemade ice cream. How great is that? So let's start. The first thing you need is milk. I suggest using whole milk. You can use like 1% or 2%, but you'll get a lot of ice crystals. So it's really, I mean, if you're going to eat ice cream, you just eat the fat, right? The next thing you want is cream. Because like I said, you want the fat, like ice cream. It's in the name, cream, right? We're going to do vanilla, a half cup of sugar. Just take everything and mix it together. You want the sugar to be completely dissolved. So the next thing we're going to do is transfer our ice cream mixture to a plastic bag. Now, I recommend using a bowl, and I recommend using a bag that has a zipper, because the zipper, well, this bag is going to go inside another bag, and you really don't want it to spill. So, using the bowl, just pour mixture into this bag. And now we're just going to seal that up. We're going to get some of the air. So next we're going to create our ice cream machine, which is pretty much this plastic bag filled with ice. So just go ahead and add in a few ice cubes to get it started. Then we're going to add a half cup of rock salt. Now you don't need rock salt, you can actually just use any kind of salt, but the salt is important, so you want to make sure you have it. This is what's going to help bring the temperature down. So go ahead and take the smaller bag and put it inside your ice cream maker, which is just another plastic bag. And from there, we're going to add in green ice. Trying to cover it on both sides. I recommend wrapping this in a towel because it gets cold. Because it's ice cream. So, big bag. Wrap it up, and then we're going to shake the heck out of it for about 5 minutes or so. You can do it less if you want it to be more like soft serve, or you can do it more. It's up to you. Okay, so we shook that for 5 minutes, and now we're going to remove our bag of ice cream. As you can see, it's a lot firmer than it was when I put it in there. Inside we have our makeshift ice cream, which we're then going to scoop out. The great thing about this is you can make any ice cream you want. You can make strawberry ice cream, chocolate ice cream. It's all at your fingertips anytime you want it. Or you can just put your favorite toppings on it. There you go.
Okay, thank you. So, what did you learn about this video?
It's like how make ice cream.
How to make ice cream? That's correctly. Thank you, Mbak Tibi. Right now, we will learn about how to make include to what kind of the text? Descriptive text.
Procedure text.
Okay, Mas Renal, you're correct. Right now we will learn about procedure text. What is procedure text? Anyone can answer my question? Okay, Renal?
Procedure text is a text that is designed to describe how something is achieved through a sequence of action of steps.
Okay, thank you, Mas Renal. Correct. And procedure text is a text is designed to describe, or we will get the information, or we will make the information or describe something to achieve through a sequence of action or steps. So the general structure of the phrasal text, we have a three general structure. Is first one is goals, the second one is materials, and the last is steps. So the goals, Mas Aaron, do you want to read goals for us?
Contain information about the destination in the making of operation of something.
Okay, thank you. The goals contains information about the destination in the making or operation of something. So the materials. There are three types of the procedure text that does not use to the material. There are the first one. Mas Buran, can you read it?
Procedure text that identifies how to perform the instruction manual, for example, how to use the video game, the computer, and etc.
Okay, thank you. And the second, who wants to read? Oh.
Procedure text that instructs how to perform certain activities with unregulated. For example, road safety rules, video game rules, etc.
Okay, and the last, Mas Rena?
Procedure text relating to human nature of habit. For example, how to live happily, how to success.
Okay, thank you. And the steps. All the steps contains about steps or sequence that must be done so that the goals outlined in the goal can be achieved. Step or sequence of the sequence must be the first to the last. For example, how to make ice cream, right?
Yes.
The first step is we need a milk, and the last step we will enjoy the ice cream. So the first step until the last step, we they're all, we can call it steps.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, yes.
The characteristic features. The characteristic features, there are some traits of language in the procedure text, among which are use imperative sentence, commands. For example, cut, do, not mix, and so on. And then using action verbs such as turn, put, do not, mix, etc. The third, I think, Mas Buran, can you read it?
In the third,
Yes, using connective.
using connectivities, conjunctions to sort of activity, for example, then, while, and existing.
Okay, Mas Aaron, number 4, using adverbials,
Using adverbials,
adverbs,
to
declare,
the detailed time, place, and action way from, for example, for 5 minutes, 2 hours.
okay, etc. Okay, and I think you can read it.
Using the simple present.
Okay, simple present.
Simple present.
Okay, so I will give you the test. So the test will be, you will be in pairs. You do it in pairs. So I think the left side and the right side. Okay,
Okay.
and the text I will give you in WhatsApp.
Okay.
Okay. I think I give you 5 minutes to work. So I will read it for you. The first one is SMS or short messaging service. Messages are commonly referred to as text message. The act of sending an SMS is called texting. To send a text message or SMS from a cell phone may be straightforward or may be a bit complex, depending on the cell phone model. And things you need is a SMS enabled cell phone. There are 5 steps on send a message. It is first, click the message button or click application, message, create message. Second, enter the phone number or email address of the SMS received. Third, type a SMS message. SMS messages are typically 160 characters or less. If you send many characters, use send a speech. Fourth, click send to send your SMS. Let's verify that your message was sent by checking your sent item box. If the message is waiting in the sent items, it means your message are not read yet. Okay, you can work in pair. Is there any question? No? Okay. If you finish the test one, you can the test 2 and the test 3. I think the test 2. If you done the test 1 and you can continuously work in test 2. So the test 2 have the same text, so you can read text first and you will get the answer. Any question? No?
No.
Any question? Okay. Have you finished?
Not yet.
Not yet. Okay.
Wait, sir.
Okay. So 1 minute left. You question is so easy, right? Okay, time is up. Hey, the test one. So from group 1 and group 3, what title do you get from this test? Yes, group 1?
How to message the someone?
Oh, how to message the someone. To someone.
Yes.
How to message to someone. And group 2?
How to send a message with SMS message
Okay.
application.
Yes, you are correct. And the communicative purpose of the text, what? So group 1? Oh, group 2, okay.
To tell the reader
Uh-huh.
how to send a message with SMS message application.
Okay, thank you, correct. And group 1, the purpose of the text?
Like I said,
Oh, you have the same answer. Okay, thank you.
same answer.
And test 2, materials and steps. What kind of materials?
The smartphone,
Smartphone,
and the application.
the application. Okay. And the steps. The first steps from group 1. Group 1, steps 2, group 2, steps 3, group 1,
Okay.
and step 4, group 2.
Okay, step
Okay.
1. Click the message button,
Okay.
and then the second is answer. Oh, here.
Group 2.
Group 2 answer.
Second, enter the phone number or email address of the SMS recipient.
Okay. Group 1, step 3.
Type SMS message.
Okay. Group 2.
Click send to send your SMS.
Okay. And the last?
And the last
Who?
is
Okay.
verify the message.
Okay, thank you. Alright. After we finish the test 1 and test 2, we have test 3. And the test 3 is, the title is How to Use Television. This text will tell steps of use television. The product is material to support television. We will need use television are a television, a TV's remote, an antenna, and first plug the power of TV's cable to the electricity. Second, turn on the booster. Usually there is an indicator red lamp. Make sure the LED is on. And then third, plug the antenna to the television. Next, the television will turn on after LED is on, and plug antenna and begin doing pressing the power button. Buran, can you read it? This?
Okay. If the television is still off, press the power button on the remote. If you use receiver or additional device, make sure that you may have to turn it on.
Okay, thank you. Mas Saran, can you read it?
Then press a number on the remote. The function of we press a number on the remote is see and push and channel that we want.
Okay, thank you. And then, Mas Dewi?
You can change it by pressing the other number. If your channel can't be changed, please check the battery or use other universal remote.
Okay, Mas Renal?
Last, if you finish watching the television, turn off television. Turn it off to save the electricity. There are other ways to turn off television. You can also set the timer if you want to watch TV late into the night. So your television will not watch you back when you fall asleep. Happy watching.
Okay, thank you for all of you. We have a question too. the question, the first one is, what is the purpose of the text? Okay, Mas Aaron.
This text will the step of use television.
Okay, thank you. And the second number, what is the material to support use television? Mention it.
Oh,
Okay.
electricity.
No.
Oh,
Remote
Yes.
and antenna.
Yes.
And television.
Yes. Of course. Thank you. And the number 3, what is the function of we press a number remote?
To see and choose a channel that we want.
Okay, thank you. And number 4, where we must turn off the television after we watch. Okay, after now.
Turn it off to save the electricity.
Okay, thank you. And number 5, is there any other way besides turning off television after watching it? A. If yes, what is other way turning off television? If no, maybe just need turn off television.
Yes.
Yes, why?
Why? What? I think it's what, not why.
Yeah, if yes, what is other way turning off television?
Set the timer.
Set the timer?
Yeah.
Okay, thank you. If no? If no?
it's like saving the electricity.
Okay, thank you. All of you. Okay, we will review what we learned. So what is procedure text? Anyone answer my question? Okay.
Procedure text is a text that
Okay.
is designed to describe how
Mhm.
something is achieved through a sequence of action of steps.
Okay, you are correct. And the next is we have a 3 generic structure. So what?
Goals,
Okay, goals,
Material.
materials,
materials,
And steps.
and steps. Okay, and the goals. Okay, what? Okay. It's okay. It's okay.
contains information about the distinction in the making or operation of something.
Okay, and the next is materials. Who want to answer materials? What is materials?
And the 3
Uh,
types.
Okay.
The procedure text that identifies how to perform the instruction menu.
Okay, and before we what is materials? We have 3 types of materials. So the first type is what? What?
So,
Okay.
procedure text that identify how to perform the instruction manual.
Okay. And number 2.
So,
Okay.
procedure text that instruct how to perform certain activities and are unregulated.
Okay. And number 3.
You,
You,
not me. You.
Okay. Who? Okay. Mas Aaron. Mas Aaron.
procedure text relating to human, natural or
Human.
habit. Human,
Human.
natural or habit.
Okay. Thank you. And then we have steps, right? What is steps?
So,
Yes.
one step contains a first step or
Okay.
sequence that must be done so that the goals noted in the goal can be achieved.
Achieve.
Step of the sequence must be the first to the last.
Okay, thank you. And we learn about procedure test. What is the procedure test? What kind of the procedure test, right? Goal, material, steps, and what is the goals, and what is the materials, and what is the steps, and we know about the characteristic features. Okay, right? And who want to review it again? Who? Okay, Mas Baran.
Okay, me using the simple present
Yes, simple present.
and
I think three.
Oh,
You must answer 3, and I can change.
using action verbs.
Okay, action verbs.
Use imperative
Imperative.
sentence and then using connectivities.
Okay, using the connectivities. Okay, who wants to
using adverbials.
Okay, using the adverbials.
Using action verbs.
Using action verbs. Okay.
Using the simple present.
Using the simple present. I
Use-
think the first one is simple present, right?
Yes.
Yes, tell me.
I think the characteristic features have a 5, not 6, right?
Yeah.
Okay, it's okay, it's okay. So you learn a lot about the procedure text. I want to say thank you to you about to attend my class today, and I hope you tomorrow or next week I'll give you homework, so you will make the text about how to make for example, how to make fried rice, how to make noodles, or how to make how to turn off the laptop, how to use your clothes, like that. And you can send it into my website, and the deadline will be in 50 March. I'm sorry, 15 April.
Okay.
Okay?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so the class is over. I hope you stay safe and stay healthy in your house. And
Yes, sir.
any question about the homework?
No.
No? It's okay?
Yes.
Did you have my phone number?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay. See you next week. Goodbye.
Okay,
bye.
See you.